Now I am going to start the magnetism and matter. And in this, there are some basics are there that I explained in moving charges and magnetism. What is magnet? What is magnetic field? What is magnetic induction? What is magnetic moment? This many we discussed in the last class, right? Now, last class means in the moving charges and magnetism. At the beginning, I explained. Now I am going to continue, right? In this, the first topic that we are going to discuss is that circular current loop. Circular current loop is equivalent to circular current loop is equivalent to magnetic dipole. Magnetic dipole. This is our first topic, and its magnetic moment. This is my topic, very important topic. Only 4-5 topics are present in this, right? Within 4-5 days it will complete. Circular current loop is equivalent to magnetic dipole, and its magnetic moment I am going to derive. What is this? What I am telling? What is magnetic dipole actually? Magnetic dipole means this if it is a magnet, it has a south pole and a north pole. This magnetic length is the 2L, and magnetic moment is capital M. Its formula is every pole magnet has the two poles. That pole has the ability to attract or repel the another pole, that is called as the pole strength. The magnetic moment formula is pole strength into magnetic length. Okay, this is magnetic dipole moment. This magnet only called as magnetic dipole. Bar magnet only called as magnetic dipole. Dipole means two poles, south pole, north pole. Magnetic dipole means bar magnet. Magnet is called as the magnetic dipole. What I am telling, that the circular current loop, that means current carrying loop, that is equal to dipole. Equal to dipole means what? Actually, we know this is considered as a circular loop, right? This is a circular loop or coil. This coil, right, is it carrying some current. That current we can consider as the I is the current in the coil, and capital R is the radius of the coil. What I have to show, that this current carrying loop is equivalent to magnet. This is equivalent to magnetic dipole. What is magnetic dipole? Magnetic dipole is nothing but magnet, right? I have to show that this current loop is equivalent to magnet. That means this current loop also act like a magnet, and one face will act as a north pole and other face will act as a south pole, right? Like this. That means this will act like a magnet, and one of the face of this one will act as a north and other side will act as a south, right? This will act like a magnet, and we know the bar magnet has the magnetic moment. Then similarly, this current loop also equal to magnet means, then this current loop also should have some magnetic moment. That magnetic moment formula I am going to derive. Listen very carefully. This is a circular loop, it carrying some current. Then I have to show that this is exactly equal to magnet. Then how it is equal to magnet, right? That I am going to explain. Then for the purpose, listen very carefully, right? And x is the some distance, right? X is the distance on the axis of the circular loop or the coil. I want the magnetic induction formula, right? Now, magnetic induction or the magnetic field, magnetic induction or the field on axis of circular coil. This we derived previously, right? Anybody remembered this formula? What is the formula for the magnetic induction on the axis of circular current carrying coil? Anybody? If it has n turns, n is the number of turns in the coil. Okay, loop, what is the difference between the loop and coil? Loop means only one turn, coil means many turns are there. Number of turns, capital N is the number of turns, capital R is the radius, of current loop or the coil. Okay, right? Current loop or coil. What is x? X is the distance where you want to find out the magnetic induction from the center of the coil, right? Then what is the formula for the B? I is the current in the loop. I is the current in the loop, right? X is the distance on axis. Where you want to find out the magnetic field from center. Right? Somebody want to say the formula for the B? Yes? Magnetic induction at the center of the circular loop. At the center is the nu naught I by 2R. Exactly correct formula. But on the axis, Bayat Savatla application this one, right? Some other formula is there in terms of x also. Somebody? No one, right? Regular preparation and by hearting the formulas is very important. Yesterday also I said the same thing, that just by the listening, by the watching the YouTube videos or the lectures, by listening we cannot get anything. You should practice self, and you have to read yourself, and you have to learn the topics, and you have to ask the doubts. The formula is nu naught Ni r square by 2 of r square plus x square whole power 3 by 2. This is the formula for the magnetic induction on the axis of the circular coil, which has n turns, where nu naught is the permeability of free space. Understood, students? I am taking that if x is greater than capital R, right, then in r square plus x square where it is there, in that we can neglect the r, because x is much greater than r, then we write as 0 square plus x square. This nearly we can write as x square, because r is neglected. We are taking the r value as very less. R value neglected while comparing with the x, right? And now B is equal, we will get as nu naught Ni r square by 2 of r square plus x square, we write as only x square, that is x square whole power 3 by 2 we have to write. Let us simplify some more, that is nu naught Ni r square by 2 into x square whole power 3 by 2, we will get as 2 into 3 by 2, we will get 2 to cancel, x cube we will get. Now next step is that I have to multiply with 2 pi and divide with 2 pi. Then what is the reason, right? I will explain to you in the multiplication and division. Let's see carefully, that is the B formula is, right, nu naught by this 2 into 2 pi I will write as the 4 pi into 2 into 2 pi, in the denominator I wrote as 4 pi, and the remaining here 2 is there, that 2 I will write it here, and here n is there, n I will change this as pi r square, right, pi capital R square by remaining is x cube. What I am doing in this, just I am rearranging the letters in the equation, right? Just simple I am doing, that is nu naught by 2 into 2 pi is the 4 pi I wrote. Then after that the 2 we write s side, and Ni into pi r square we wrote here by x cube. This we can consider as equation 1. Okay, and but we know one thing. What we know, pi r square is what? Pi r square is what? Pi r square is the area of circular loop or the coil. Is it correct, student? From the figure you see, capital R is the radius of the coil. Capital R is the radius of the coil means, right? Then pi r square is the its area, right? Pi r square is the area of loop or coil. Okay, area of loop or coil. Got it? Then next step we will write like this, that is the B formula is nu naught by 4 pi into 2 into NIA by x cube we have to write. This is equation 2 we have to write. Understood? Right. Let's go for the continuation, that is this is the formula for the what? Equation 2 is formula for what? Equation 2 is the formula for magnetic induction on the axis of circular coil, right? But the what is the magnetic induction on the axis of bar magnet? Magnetic induction bar magnet also generate the magnetic field. Magnetic induction on the axis of magnetic dipole. Magnetic induction on the axis of magnetic dipole. What is magnetic dipole? Bar magnet itself it is called as, okay, magnet is itself it is called as magnetic dipole. What is the formula for the magnetic induction on the axis of uh, magnetic dipole? This is the magnetic dipole. Its length is 2L, right? And this is the axis of the magnetic dipole, and at this point I want the magnetic induction, and we can consider that point is at x distance from the center of the dipole magnet. Then how to write the magnetic field formula? Magnetic induction on the axis of the magnetic dipole, right? There is a formula is there. That formula is B is equal to mu naught by 4 pi into 2m by x cube. Due to bar magnet at a distance x, magnetic field formula. Magnet can generate the magnetic field, right? Magnet can generate the magnetic field. This is south pole, this is the north pole. Due to the magnetic field will be generated. The magnetic field formula is nu naught by 4 pi into 2m by x cube. What is m in this? The capital M is the magnetic moment. Capital M is the magnetic moment. In this, capital M is the magnetic moment. Previously in the last chapter we learned the formula for the magnetic moment, that is small m into 2L, where small m is the pole strength and 2L is the dipole length. Okay, right? 2L is the dipole length. Now let us see, when you compare the magnetic field and circular coil magnetic field, you see here, this is circular coil, magnetic field we derived it here. So due to circular coil magnetic field and due to magnetic dipole magnetic field, if you compare the two formulas, right, from equation 2 and 3, right, the two are appearing like similar, right? Is it correct, students? The two equations appearing like similar equations. This indicates that from equation 2 and 3 we say that circular coil or the loop equivalent to circular coil or loop is equivalent to what? Equivalent to magnetic dipole, because the formula due to magnetic dipole is similar to the formula for the field due to bar magnet is similar to the magnetic field due to circular coil. Both are same. Nu naught by 4 pi is there, nu naught by 4 pi, x cube is there, x cube is there, 2 is there, 2 is there, m is there, here Ni is there, right? Then we say that from these two, this is the for the circular coil, this is for bar magnet, both are equal we say, because the formula is also similar, right? Where you got this formula equation 3, that formula derivation is deleted for this academic year, okay, and you remember directly, right? Then we shown that circular coil is equivalent to bar magnet. Then next what I have to do, that I have to find out its magnetic moment. How to find out the magnetic moment? Just it was very simple. compare equation 2 and equation 3. When you compare equation 2 and equation 3, b is there, nu naught by 4 pi is there, nu naught by 4 pi is there, 2 is there. Capital M, what is capital M? Capital M is replaced with NIA. That means we write magnetic moment. When you compare the equation 2 and 3, the magnetic moment formula we will get as magnetic moment capital M is equal, we will get as NIA, we will get. Understood? NIA we will get. Clear, Babu? This is the magnetic moment. Circular coil behaves like a magnet and its magnetic moment is NIA. What is N here? N is the number of turns in the coil. Bar magnet has the magnetic moment. It is a common phenomena. But here circular coil also magnetic moment. Circular coil also have magnetic moment. Right? Its magnetic moment formula is NIA. NIA, magnetic dipole moment, where N is the number of turns. N is the number of turns, I is the current in the coil, A is the area of coil, right? Okay, for example, if you want to find out the magnetic moment of loop, in case of loop, what we can take? In case of loop, right? In case of current loop, loop means it has only one turn, right? In case of current loop, that is the number of turns is equal to only one. Then the magnetic moment formula will become like this. You substitute in that one, we will get simply I into A, right? That means current carrying coil behaves like magnet and its magnetic moment formula is this one. What is our heading? Our heading is that circular current loop is equivalent to magnetic dipole, that we shown, because the formula for the field due to circular loop is similar to the field due to the magnetic dipole. That's why both are equivalent. And its magnetic moment we find out. Circular loop behaves like magnet, means it has the magnetic moment. The magnetic moment formula we derived, that is NIA finally. Understood? Clear everything? Okay, let's go for the next topic. The next topic is magnetic moment of revolving electron. Very important topic. Previously many times came in the CBSE exam. Very important for the 3 marks. Okay, right? Listen very carefully. They will ask to derive the magnetic moment. Magnetic moment or the dipole moment. Magnetic dipole moment of magnetic dipole moment of revolving electron. I have to derive the magnetic moment of revolving electron. Right, magnetic dipole moment of revolving electron. Right, how to derive it? Further, what we have to do, consider, right, this is an orbit. You see this is an orbit and one electron is revolving in the orbit. The orbit radius we can consider as electron charge is E, electron mass is m. The electron is revolving in the particular orbit like this. The orbit radius we can consider as the small r. Small r is the radius of orbit, and electron is moving with some speed in orbit. The speed we can consider as the v. Now, okay, what is E is? E is the electron charge. Electron charge. Do you know its value? 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. E value is 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. What is m here? Mass of electron. Do you know mass of electron? 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 31 kg. Next, r is radius of orbit. What is v? Speed of electron in orbit. Okay, right. Whenever the electron is revolving in particular orbit, right, when electron is moving, then we say that due to the motion of the electron, current will generate. When electron starts at here, again come to this same point, means some current will generate in this. Then the current in loop I want, current in loop. And whenever this, in this current flows, this will act as a magnet, because we know current carrying coil or the loop act like a magnet. It has some magnetic moment. Electron is moving in a particular orbit, means some current will flow in the orbit. Due to the flow of current in the orbit, right, some current carrying coil or the loop will generate the magnetic field, and it will act like a magnetic dipole, and it has some magnetic moment. Similarly, this one here also, revolving electron also has magnetic moment. Then magnetic moment of revolving electron, how we write? Then a magnetic moment of circular coil formula is what? NIA. Is it right? Just now we derived magnetic moment of circular coil. N is the number of turns at here. But in our diagram, orbit is only one turn, right? And current formula, if you want, current is equal to what we write? Charge by time, right? Current is equal to charge by time. Charge is E, time we have to take as time period. Time period. T is the time period we have to write. Why we write time period? Because current flows in closed path only. Means it should start at here, again come to this point. To come again to the same point, there is some time required, that is called as a time period. Current flows only in closed path. If it starts from here, again it should come to the same point. That is the T is the time period. Time period formula, what we write? Time is equal to distance by speed we write. Distance is what in the one rotation? 2 pi r. Speed is what? Speed of electron, 2 pi r by v we write. This is the time period, that is the time period formula is 2 pi r by distance by speed we write. Then finally current formula we will get as EV by 2 pi r. Is it correct? Right. What is A? A is the area of the loop. Area of the loop from the figure is what? Circular loop, pi r square. This all we substitute in above equation. Then what you will get? Magnetic moment we will get. That is N is the 1 into I is the EV by 2 pi r into A is the pi r square. Then we will get, let us simplify it, pi gets cancelled, r square will cancel. Then finally in the numerator EVR will be there, in the denominator only 2 is there. There is a magnetic moment of revolving electron formula is, right, EVR by 2. This is the formula for the magnetic moment of revolving electron, very important, right? Next they may ask the one relation between the magnetic moment of revolving electron and angular momentum of revolving electron, right? Then I will change the magnetic moment formula in terms of angular momentum of revolving electron. Then for that purpose, magnetic moment is equal to capital M. I will multiply with M and divide with M. I will write the above equation like this. Is it correct? You see mm gets cancelled means again you will get EBR by 2. What is MBR at here? Do you know MBR? MBR is the formula for what? MBR is the formula for what? Mass of electron into speed of electron into radius of orbit. It is the angular momentum. Is it right? E by 2m into capital L, because we know that angular momentum formula is MVR. MVR is the capital L, where capital L is the angular momentum. Angular momentum of revolving electron. Okay, angular momentum of revolving electron. Now you see here we derived the formula for the magnetic moment in terms of angular momentum. Next, in this, what are the terms? Is the electron mass, small m is the mass of electron, E is the electron charge, m is the mass of electron, capital L is the angular momentum. Okay, what is the direction of the magnetic moment? Direction of magnetic moment I want. Direction of magnetic moment. In case of positive charged particle, in case of positive charged particle, means just like a proton, alpha particle, something like that. For them, magnetic moment is in the direction of angular momentum. In case of positive charge, you see this formula m equal to, if electron charge is positive, right, we write as m is equal to plus E by 2m into L. We write positive charged particle means m is in the direction of L, that's all. Magnetic moment is in the direction of angular momentum. Next, second point, in case of negative charge, in case of negative charged particle like electron, magnetic moment is opposite to the direction of angular momentum. This point also very important. Previously one time they asked for 1 mark only direction. You see, if the charge is negative, then we write minus E by 2m into L. That means m minus opposite to L. At m opposite to L in case of negative charge. In case of positive charge, m is in the direction of L. This is the board direction. Next, note point. In the note, some point I am going to give. The first point is, yes, next, more 5 minutes I will take the class. Gyromagnetic ratio. What is gyromagnetic ratio? What is gyromagnetic ratio? The ratio between magnetic moment and angular moment is called as gyromagnetic ratio. The gyromagnetic ratio formula is magnetic moment by angular moment. But we know formula for the magnetic moment, that is E by 2m into L. Then from that, m by L is the magnetic moment by angular momentum. Its formula is E by 2m, where E is the electron charge, m is the mass of electron. E is the electron charge. We know 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. Small m is the mass of electron. Its value also we know 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 31 kg. If we simplify it, gyromagnetic ratio is 8 point, if we write in this, you will get 8.8 into 10 to the power of 10 coulomb per kg we will get. Okay. Next, second point. Second point in the note that I am going to explain. Right? Magnetic moment of revolving electron formula is what? Magnetic moment of revolving electron formula. What we derived? M is equal to E by 2m into capital L. What is capital L? According to Bohr theory, according to Bohr quantum theory, you know Bohr theory? According to Bohr quantum theory, angular momentum of revolving electron is equal to integral multiple of h by 2 pi, where n is the principal quantum number 1, 2, 3 and h is the Planck's constant. Its value is 6.625 into 10 to the power of minus 34 joule second. You substitute this value in above equation. E by 2m into capital L is nh by 2 pi. nh by 2 pi. Now, in case of hydrogen atom, n is minimum 1. Only one orbit will be there, that we write as n is 1. At that moment, what happens to the magnetic moment of the revolving electron in hydrogen atom? E by 2m into h by 2 pi we have to write. And in case of hydrogen atom, the magnetic moment n value is minimum, means m value also minimum. The magnetic moment become minimum. Is it right? Then next, the minimum value of magnetic moment we find out at here. We substitute R value at here 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 by 2 into 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 13 into 6.625 into 10 to the power of minus 34 by 2 into 3.14. If you simplify this, you will get the magnetic moment 9.27 into 10 to the power of minus 24 ampere meter square. What is this? This is minimum value of magnetic moment, because in case this is in case of hydrogen atom. In case of hydrogen atom, only one orbit is there. That's why n is minimum. When n is minimum, then the magnetic moment also minimum. The minimum value of magnetic moment, the minimum value of magnetic moment is called as Bohr magneton. Is called as Bohr magneton. That is, the Bohr magneton value is 9.27 into 10 to the power of minus 24 ampere meter square. Right? This is today's topic. Okay. Remaining we will discuss later. And today's topic is very important and you practice properly. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask me.